To make a square knot macrame keychain, we need two cords of 22 inches each. Take the first cord, fold it at the 6-inch mark, and now put it through the loop of the lock as shown. Make sure that you secure it tight in place. Repeat the same for the second cord as well. Make sure that both the 6-inch cords are on the inside. These are our anchor cords. You can secure the lobster lock with tape to enable easy knotting of the cords. Take the cord on the right and put it on top of the two middle cords and below the left tying cord, and pull the left cord through the loop formed by the right tying cord. Pull both the cords to tighten the knot. Repeat this process on the other side by taking the cord on the left and putting it on top of the two middle cords and below the right tying cord, and pulling the right tying cord through the loop formed by the left tying cord. Repeat the process of knotting by taking the alternate right cords and the left cords till you reach the desired length. Once you have achieved the desired length, take the smaller golden cord and wrap it around as shown. Once you achieve the desired length of the golden cord, secure it in place by putting it through the loop. You can now cut the excess cord. You can also cut the bottom cords as per your desired length. You can fray the bottom cords to make them look like a tassel. You can also use a comb to do the same. And voila! A Squareknot Macrame Keychain is now ready.